In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Gumroad. Whether you're an aspiring author or an experienced writer looking to reach a broader audience, Gumroad provides an accessible platform to sell your ebooks with ease. Let's dive into the step-by-step process that will get your work into the hands of eager readers. First things first, you're going to need a Gumroad account. Head over to gumroad.com and sign up. The registration is straightforward and won't take much time. Once you've set up your account, it's time to move on to the next step. Navigate to the products section on your Gumroad dashboard. Here is where you'll manage all the items you're selling, and in our case, your ebooks. Next up, you'll want to click on the New Product button. You'll be prompted to choose what type of product you're listing. Be sure to select ebook. This ensures that your future customers know exactly what they're purchasing and that all the right functionalities for ebook sales are enabled. Now that you've set the type, you'll need to decide on a price for your ebook. Consider your target audience and the value of your content while setting this price. It can be fixed, or you can allow customers to pay what they want, giving them the flexibility based on their appreciation for your work. With the price set, it's time to bring your ebook to life with details. You'll need to enter a name for your ebook, craft a compelling description, and of course, add a cover image. A striking cover will draw in potential buyers, so make sure it is visually appealing and representative of your content. If you haven't settled on a cover yet, various online tools can help you create a professional-looking image with ease. After your ebook's information has been filled in, you can customize your product page. This is where personal touches make a difference. You might add testimonials, sample pages, or a personal message to your readers. Once you've tailored your page to your liking, click the Save and Continue button to confirm your settings. Take a moment to review everything carefully. If you're satisfied and everything looks perfect, hit Publish to make your ebook live and ready for sale. Congratulations, your ebook is now officially listed on Gumroad. The final step is sharing your product to ensure it reaches a wide audience. Promote your newly listed ebook link via social media platforms, email newsletters, your blog, or even a YouTube channel if you have one. The more you share, the greater your potential reach and ultimately more sales. And there you have it. A simple yet effective guide to getting your ebook on Gumroad. With these steps, you're ready to embark on your journey of selling ebooks online. Good luck and happy selling.